Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the dollar Swiss is definitely going down pretty strong. Like I was saying yesterday, this could just be a running WXY, meaning that it just made a lower high, and now it's going to go down and break structure. But we don't really know that for sure. All we really know is that this last impulsive wave is complete, which is why we got our Fibonacci on there. If we get a break back to the upside on sort of time frames, then we'll definitely assume that this move down is just a pullback and we'll start looking for longs again. If we don't get a break and it just keeps on going down and breaks this low, then yeah, we'll probably know at that point that it's the end of a pullback and we'll just keep on looking for shorts, hopefully learning and earning along the way. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this is roughly tuned to about the 4 hour time frame. That's where we're seeing the best series of lower lows, lower highs. And actually, now that we got this new lower low, we can definitely move our structure down to here, which is great news for us. Because if it does decide to go up and break this structure right here, then I will definitely stop looking for shorts and I'll start looking for longs. But for me personally, I would have to see a break of structure, I would have to see a pullback, and then I would go long on the pullback. Otherwise, anything I see to the upside, I would assume is just a pullback within the downtrend, unless we get that significant break of structure, telling us that the trend is complete, or possibly the pullback if that's what it is. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.